What makes the STIHL ALLPRO battery system so powerful? Let's find out by taking a look at our development and production. My name is Jürgen Heberlein, and I'm head of development. We develop our batteries here in southern Germany, in Weiblingen. We know the application of our products and the requirements of our customers very well. To optimally design our battery system for these needs, we develop it ourselves to meet our high-quality standards. ALLPRO is designed for operating temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. To ensure full functionality at all times, we work with thermal simulations early in the development stage. In addition, we test our products in test chambers for environmental influences as they occur in professional use. Our batteries must withstand splashing, jets, and rainwater. For this, we use our splash water test. Our batteries are also used in cold conditions. With our cold start function, we ensure that our batteries are ready for use even at -20 degrees Celsius. In the drum test, ALLPRO must withstand repeated hard shocks. For this, 3,600 rotations are performed, putting the battery under more stress than expected in real use. In the drop test, we check the behavior of the battery in the machine. The device protects the battery. In the charge cycle test, we check the behavior of our batteries under continuous charging cycles. Here too, ALLPRO is clearly above the industry standard. The battery tested here already has over 1,400 charge cycles. ALLPRO can handle 3,000 cycles without noticeable loss of performance and can continue to operate beyond that without problems. In addition to bench tests, they must prove themselves intensively in professional use. There, the battery meets not only the product, but also an intelligent charging structure that allows fast and gentle charging. Only when the batteries have fully passed the development and professional tests do we start production. We measure each individual cell with high precision for its voltage level. In the next step, the electronics with their safety features are installed and soldered. This ensures that even our latest batteries remain compatible with our STIHL products. Here we mount the electronics in the protective cover and perform a short intermediate check. After assembly is complete, each battery undergoes a comprehensive quality check to ensure every customer receives a flawless product. Behind all our batteries is sophisticated technology, the toughest tests, and precise manufacturing so you can always rely on your tool.